In a world driven by technology, one tiny computer stands out for its versatility and potential. Ladies and gentlemen, welcome to the fascinating world of Raspberry Pi. Don't let its size fool you. Within this compact board lies a surprising amount of computing power, boasting impressive specs that can rival larger systems. Setting up a Raspberry Pi is a breeze. With a monitor, keyboard, and mouse connected, you're ready to embark on your coding journey. Choose from a variety of operating systems tailored for the Raspberry Pi, each offering unique features and capabilities to suit your projects. From retro gaming consoles to home automation systems, weather stations, and even AI-powered robots, the only limit to what you can create with a Raspberry Pi is your imagination. Whether you're a beginner or an experienced programmer, coding on a Raspberry Pi is a fantastic learning experience. Python, Scratch, and other languages make it accessible to all skill levels. Join a vibrant global community of makers, tinkerers, and creators. Online forums, tutorials, and events provide endless support and inspiration for your projects. Raspberry Pi isn't just for hobbyists. It's a valuable educational tool, empowering students to explore coding, electronics, and robotics in an interactive and hands-on way. As technology advances, so does the potential of Raspberry Pi. From powering advanced AI models to contributing to scientific research, its influence on the future is boundless. So there you have it, the Raspberry Pi, a small but mighty computer that's changing the way we learn, innovate, and create. Whether you're a hobbyist, student, or professional, the Raspberry Pi invites you to dive into a world of limitless possibilities.